As a mechanic and mobile tire repair guy, I handle all my car maintenance myself. Let me tell you about a harrowing experience that really hammered home the importance of regular maintenance. I barely survived a high-speed accident because of brake failure. That incident was a real wake-up call, and it showed just how crucial it is to keep your brakes in top shape. So today, I'm changing my front tires' brake pads, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do it yourself. Trust me, it's a lot easier than you might think. By the end of this video, you'll have the confidence to change your own car's brake pads and save hundreds of dollars you'd otherwise spend at a mechanic shop. First things first, safety is paramount. Before you get started, make sure your car is parked on a flat surface and use wheel chocks to prevent it from rolling. Then, loosen the lug nuts on the front wheels, but don't remove them just yet. Use a jack to lift the car and secure it with jack, stands for extra stability. Once the car is safely elevated, remove the wheels to access the brake calipers. The brake calipers are what hold the brake pads against the rotor. You'll see 2 bolts on the back of the caliper. Remove these bolts to free the caliper. Be careful when taking off the caliper. Don't let it hang by the brake line. Use a bungee cord or a piece of wire to hang it securely. Now you'll see the brake pads. They should come out easily by sliding them out of the caliper bracket. If they're stuck, a little gentle prying should do the trick. Take a moment to inspect the brake rotor as well. If it's heavily scored or warped, you might need to replace or resurface it. It's time to install the new brake pads. Simply slide them into the caliper bracket. Make sure they're seated properly and evenly. After that, reattach the caliper over the new pads and secure it with the bolts you removed earlier. Double check that everything is tight and properly aligned. Now repeat the process on the other front wheel. Changing your brake pads is a straightforward process that can save you a lot of money and give you peace of mind knowing your car is safe. This procedure is almost the same for most cars with disc brake systems. After watching this video, you'll be able to tackle this maintenance task yourself. Stay safe out there, and remember, regular maintenance can prevent a lot of problems down the road. You are awesome to like and subscribe to Roaming Repair for weekly car maintaining easy tips and tricks. Once both sides are done, put the wheels back on and tighten the lug nuts by hand. Lower the car off the jack stands and onto the ground. Then fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Finally, before you hit the road, pump the brake pedal a few times to seat the new brake pads against the rotors. You'll feel the pedal firm up, which is exactly what you want. Take the car for a slow test drive, and there you have it. See you all in the next video.